here our recipe for today. So we have a malunggay, a kalabasa, onion and garlic, and we have also a cubes. So let's start. So ayan guys, magluto na tayo. Start na, maglagay tayo ng kaunting mantika. So ayan.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop. Woo. Woo. Stop.
So, nasa sa inyo yan kung magdadagdag kayo ng asin. Depende sa panlasa nyo. So, ayan. Ang sarap, no? Ayan, no, diba? Madali lang siyang gawin. At saka, masustansya pa. So, ayan. Gawin nyo to. So, ayan guys. Luto na yung ating ginisang kalabasa na may malunggay. So, thank you for watching and see you again for my another video. Ayan. Hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating recipe for today. Bye!